Section 8. Building a home, brick by Martian brick. The ultimate goal is to establish a permanent human presence on Mars, to build a self-sustaining colony, a second home for humanity. This will require overcoming numerous challenges, from producing food and water to protecting ourselves from radiation. But the potential is enormous. To create a new society, to learn from Mars and apply that knowledge to Earth, to ensure the survival of our species. Section 9. The Martian Spirit Challenges and Opportunities. Life on Mars will be unlike anything we've experienced on Earth. The thin atmosphere, the lack of gravity, the isolation. These are challenges that will test our limits. But they will also foster innovation. They will force us to think creatively, to develop new technologies and solutions. The Martian spirit is one of resilience, of adaptability, of pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's a spirit that will define the pioneers who choose to make Mars their home. Section 10. A Future Among the Stars, Mars and Beyond. As we look to the stars, Mars stands as our first great leap into the cosmos. It represents the beginning of a new era in human exploration and discovery. Mars is just the beginning. It is the first step in a journey that will take us far beyond our home planet. The red planet offers us a unique opportunity to test our limits and expand our horizons. A stepping stone to other destinations in our solar system and beyond. By conquering Mars, we pave the way for future missions to the outer planets, and perhaps even to other star systems. Each mission builds on the knowledge and experience gained from the last, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. By learning to live on Mars, we will develop the skills and technologies needed to explore the cosmos. The challenges we face on Mars will teach us how to survive and thrive in harsh environments, preparing us for the even greater challenges that lie ahead. We will develop the skills and technologies needed to explore the cosmos. From advanced life support systems to new propulsion technologies, the innovations we create for Mars will have far-reaching implications for our future in space. Imagine a future where humanity has outposts on multiple planets. These outposts will serve as hubs of scientific research, economic activity, and cultural exchange, fostering a new era of cooperation and collaboration among the nations of Earth, where we are no longer confined to Earth. Our species will become a multi-planetary civilization, with the ability to travel between worlds and establish new homes in the far reaches of space. A future where the possibilities are endless. The exploration of Mars is just the beginning of a journey that will take us to the farthest corners of the universe, unlocking new mysteries and discovering new wonders along the way. Mars is a symbol of that future, a beacon of hope. It represents our aspirations and our determination to reach for the stars no matter how difficult the journey may be. A reminder that the human spirit knows no bounds. Our drive to explore, to discover, and to push the limits of what is possible will carry us forward into a future where the stars are within our reach. Section 11. Conclusion. Our Martian Destiny. Mars calls to us. It is not just a distant red dot in the night sky, but a world teeming with possibilities and mysteries waiting to be unraveled. The allure of Mars has captivated human imagination for centuries, and now, we stand on the brink of turning that dream into reality. A red planet beckoning us to explore, to uncover its secrets, to push the boundaries of human ingenuity. The Martian landscape, with its vast canyons, towering volcanoes, and ancient riverbeds, holds clues to the planet's past and perhaps even to the origins of life itself. Each rock, each grain of sand tells a story that we are eager to decipher. It will be a journey of challenges and triumphs, of setbacks and breakthroughs. The harsh environment of Mars will test our resilience and our ability to innovate. From developing sustainable life support systems to creating habitats that can withstand the planet's extreme conditions, every step will be a testament to human determination and creativity. But it is a journey worth taking. The pursuit of Mars is not just about scientific discovery, it is about pushing the limits of what is possible. It is about inspiring future generations to dream big and to reach for the stars. The challenges we face on Mars will drive technological advancements that will benefit all of humanity. For in our pursuit of Mars, we will not only unlock the mysteries of another world, we will also gain insights into our own planet and its history. The study of Martian geology and climate can provide valuable information about Earth's past, present, and future. The quest for knowledge knows no boundaries. We will also discover the true potential that lies within ourselves. The journey to Mars will require us to work together, to pool our resources and expertise, and to overcome obstacles as a united global community. It will be a testament to the power of human collaboration and the indomitable spirit of exploration, the potential to explore, to adapt, and to thrive among the stars. Our Martian destiny awaits. Let us seize it. The dream of a thriving human presence on Mars is within our grasp. It is a dream that will redefine our place in the universe and open up new horizons for future generations. Together, we will make history. Together, we will reach for the stars. Our Martian destiny is not just a possibility, it is our future. Let us embrace it with open hearts and minds.